In this video, we're going to be taking a look at eTravel SIM. So to get started, hit the link in the description of this video and it will take you to the website. On this website, enter where you're traveling to, let's say New York, and I'm going to select Travel eSIM for USA. These are the different options that are available. Select one that is best suited for your needs, right? So let's say I'm going to go with 7 gigabytes for 30 days. Scroll down and here you can select add to cart or you can buy with shop pay. You have the option to select more payment options. So now you can proceed to pay with shop pay, PayPal or Google Pay. And once you enter your billing information, you just continue to payment. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.